All right, y'all. Welcome to PJ Guitar. PJ Guitar. Welcome. Listen, one of our family members in our community, in the comments of the lesson I did on strange fruit, one of the recent lessons I did on strange fruit, he said, "Hey," he said, "I'm having a hard time doing the bar chords," and he says, "If you could just teach me the triads, it would be very helpful." Now he's asked for me to do a triads video more than one time, so I'm making it up. Okay, I'm sorry, my brother. I hope you ain't too frustrated. I hope you ain't hurt your fingers too bad. But listen, there's hope, okay? There's hope. I'm going to break down this lesson. And listen, the stuff that you're learning in this, you can carry on with you, okay? So we was in the key of B flat. When I was playing it, I was playing full chords. Where my sound go? Oh, excuse me, y'all. Okay, so I got... Southern tree, bearing strange fruit, blood on the leaves, blood on the roots. All right, so anytime you see me, and you can take any lesson I've done, anytime you see me playing this, all right, the triad you can get out of it. Just look at where my hands are. Look at the notes, all right? And now, this is the beautiful thing about triads. You can pick any 3 notes out of a chord, and that triad will match that chord. Any 3 notes out of the chord. So, usually when we talk about triads, we're going to use the top. Looking at it, it looks like the bottom, but it's really the top. All right, so just take them bottom 3 notes. Let's say we were just gonna take the bottom 3 notes. And then what I play next? I played this next. Or I played this actually, my bad. So that's an A major. So look, take the bottom 3 notes. And the bottom 3 notes is this one. And I kept that same shape and moved down. Alright. Kept that same shape and moved down. Those are majors, all right? But I was playing dominance right there. Now, in order to get a dominant without making it a shell meaning there's a note that's missing, but it is a note that is assumed, okay? In order to make it a dominant, I have to add in a 4th note, okay? But it still can be considered a triad, I guess. So what you can do when I'm playing this dominant, because the dominant has to have that flat 7. So in order to get that, I just add another note. I add that note, okay? Because that was the bottom half. So I'm taking the bottom half and I'm doing a dominant. So that's the dominant triad, or just so you ain't barring as much, okay? All right, so we got. And if I want to go straight major, I can just. But if I want to get that dominant sound, because that is part of that sound, I can still do the B minor. Add this. You know, and with triads, you can. You can do little, there's more stuff you can do because the dexterity is a little different. Now I also played it here. All right, so same rule applies. Take that bottom part of it, okay? Take that bottom part. So when I'm playing this chord, this B minor 7, excuse me. When I'm playing this B minor 7. All right. What's on my bottom? So I can go. All right, that's 3 in a row. Upper fret, over fret. Oh, excuse me. upper fret, open fret. That's a minor. And then to do the major, because I was playing this. So take that bottom. You see that bottom, the bottom strings that are covered, or the top strings that are covered. So it'll be. And all I'm doing is rotating from going from the top to the bottom. That's why it sounds like that. And that's the beautiful thing about triads. So, excuse me. All right. Now that would be major. So if I want to get the dominant, remember, I can take pieces. So let's say I did want to do just 3 notes. What's my bottom 3 notes of that dominant? It's missing something, so I got. And you can arpeggio that. That sounds good. Ooh. So. Some people would bar it here. So, and you can do that. Same thing. Same thing is. Same thing. Oh, I like that. Y'all play around with them triads. Let me know. Do you want more lessons like this? Do you want more on triads? I don't think my brother is alone. Sometimes, listen, playing bar chords is hard. It is tough. Especially, if you work with your hands a lot of times you got soreness in your hands. It can be hard. So listen, I'm trying to understand, but thank you. Okay. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for being patient with me. Practice this. Let me know. Does that help you? Okay. Everyone else in this community, let me know how you feel. Let me know, do you want more lessons on triads and breaking things down and getting different sounds and stuff like that? I try to be a little simple, a little basic, and teaching a way to where we can grow and learn the theory behind it and not just doing copycat stuff like that. Because that's, then we playing by memory. We memorize and we want to internalize. I want you to internalize it, okay? God bless you. Thank you so much. Y'all take care, okay? Bye-bye now.